Part 3 of repairing Ring Pro doorbell. Okay, everything's put together. Batteries at 4.08 volts. I'm gonna connect the ring right now. So the power, it went up a little bit, so that means the battery controller is working. Actually started charging as soon as it got connected. So now it's booting. Power is back to 4.088. It's signing on to Wi-Fi, I believe. Previous settings that were in the camera are still there. And it's online. Gonna try it. Yeah, I got notification on my phone. So it's working. And it's not drawing from the battery. Super. Oh, I'm gonna try to disconnect it and see if it's gonna start drawing from the battery when the power goes out. Yes, it's drawing the battery. As soon as I connect it, so when I disconnect, it's drawing from the battery. Plug it back in. It's drawing from the power source. So it's just like it should be. Now I'm gonna test the night, the infrared. That was that connector that broke. Was actually power supply for the IR for the night. That's the connector. That's how it broke off pieces. So I'm gonna Alexa, trigger all lights off. No, and this one. Yep, it turned on. So it's working. So it was totally worth it. Fixing it, the battery, like bad at 18,650 you can get for pennies. Grab a used one even. Doesn't have to be, high capacity. Even like if it's down to like 600, it's twice as much what the original was. So that's, I guess, the best way to fix it. Then looking, if you're gonna start looking for battery about the same size as the original, it's gonna cost you a lot of money probably. So, in my opinion, grab the brackets. You can get them, put them together to any shape you want, facing forward, left, right, up, down, straight. Just move the camera away from the wall a little bit to fit the battery if you want it just straight without turning left or right. And that's it. I'm gonna go install it and show you guys how it looks when it's installed. Oh, and by the way, next project I'm thinking of, oh, just finished that one. Alexa, trigger fireplace on. Alexa, trigger fireplace on. So let's see what my next project's gonna be. Getting the correct screws, the correct length to put that in. And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I wonder if the video's gonna stay on for that. So I got the first part installed. So it's tilting up a little bit. And a little bit to the left. Oh, maybe the cable's a little bit too long, but first connected the battery to the camera, and now I'm gonna connect the 24-volt AC current. Okay, it's connecting, should be, oh yeah. It's booting up right now. Oh, it's upside down. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year again. Just trying to get this in one take. So just said that, to keep the camera from turning off, pausing and adding a little bit of footage each time, so I don't have to edit. Almost done. Just a little bit tight squeeze. I hope I didn't flip the camera upside down. I mean the phone I'm recording with. Okay, that's part is done, and now just the cover. And that's it. Done. So it's facing a little bit up. And a little bit to the left. If I missed something, or and you guys have any questions, yeah, you can leave me a shout, and I'm gonna try to do my best to guide you in the right, direction. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.